Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the delete function in a tally. So for the purpose of deleting any entry, deleting ledger or deleting group or stock item, the delete function is used. What is the shortcut for our delete function? The shortcut for delete function is Alt plus D. So by Alt plus D, you can delete any voucher, ledger, group, uh, or any entry or any stock item. However, be remember that if in a particular ledger you have already made any entry in your books of account, then you cannot delete that at ledger until you have deleted all the entry for that ledger. So let us start. Suppose I want to delete my accounting voucher for cash payment. So I just go over to voucher alteration from accounting info, voucher type, alter. I select cash payment voucher and I press alter D. Again when I press alter D, it will ask me whether you want to delete yes or no. Again when I press Y or I press enter, my cash payment voucher goes deleted. So you can see that in my list of voucher, cash payment voucher is deleted. Now suppose I want to delete any entry. Suppose I want to delete uh, this Dipesh Patel account entry. So what can I do? I just go to this entry and press alter D. So it will ask me whether you want to delete or not. Or you can also go into the entry and press alter D. It will ask whether you want to delete yes or no. Press yes, so your entry is deleted. Now suppose you want to delete your stock item. How can you delete your stock item? Go to inventory info, go to stock item, go to alter tab. Suppose I want to delete my ABC stock item. Go to ABC and press alter D. Press enter. Your ABC stock item is deleted. Suppose I want to delete my unit of measurement. Then go to unit of measurement, press alter, select the unit you want to delete. Suppose I want to delete liter. Uh, Here unit alteration tab is open. Press alter D and press enter. Your unit is deleted. Suppose you want to delete your accounting group. Then from the accounting info, go to the group option, select the alter. From this alter, suppose I am selecting my mutual fund group and I want to delete this my group. So just press alter D, your group is deleted. Now you can see that there is no group on the letter from M. So in this way you can delete any entry, stock item, voucher or unit of measurement. Suppose you want to delete your ledger, then go to accounting info, go to select ledger, select alter. Now I want to delete the Mahesh Singh ledger, go to Mahesh Singh ledger and press alter D, select yes, your ledger is deleted. You can see that on M only machinery ledger is coming up, Mahesh Singh ledger is deleted. So in this way you can delete it for particular item, group, ledger, entry, etc. You can also delete a particular ledger while making the accounting entry. How you can do? Suppose you go to the accounting entry of purchase. Now I am selecting my party called Arpit Patel. Suppose I want to create a new ledger, I have to press Alter C. A and V, I am creating a new ledger under the group of sundry creditor. So in this way A and V ledger is created. Now suppose I want to delete this ledger A and V. during the time of accounting entry, just go to the ANV ledger, press Ctrl Enter, ledger alteration window will appear. Press Alt D and press Enter, your ledger goes deleted. Now you can see that there is no ANV ledger in your list of ledger. So in this way you can delete the particular item or particular entry, voucher or a group or a unit of measurement in a tally. So I hope you will understand how to delete it or how to use the delete option, that is Alter plus D in a tally. In the next video we will discuss another features about tally. Thank you.